I was freaking out.
If you just don't think about what's about to take place and go to your happy place, it doesn't hurt.
I wish someone would have told me that.
You'll be done with it before you even realize what's happening if you don't think about it. But if you think they're concentrating on it, you're going to...
Shelby, bro, man. You get out of my way.
Oh, sorry.
For this girl. Don't ruin it.
Oh, yeah, so am I. Mine's gonna be epic.
Hey there. I like your hair.
Who does your hair? Get away from me.
Get out of the man's face, Shelby.
No, it's looking at the dots. About, like, where it was.
My mom wasn't even near me. Nobody held my hand when I got my...
I'll hold your hand. You can squeeze as tight as you want. Just don't let me drop my phone. You go ahead. Here, wait. Okay, there.
I'm just sitting here with this focus on your
Just think, this is, you know the one that they pierced my lip with?
Yeah.
That's how big it is.
Oh, okay.
That's how big the actual thing is. Like, that's,
tiny.
it went through my lip, it can go through your belly.
This is how my belly doesn't... This is how my belly doesn't bleed as bad as your lip did.
Okay, that's because someone jacked up my lip. Look, okay,
See that?
that hole right there, someone pierced it down low.
Yeah.
Like, they wait, like...
It doesn't necessarily make it messed up, though.
I know, but I wanted it right next to... I know, I wanted mine like...
Right, like mine.
Yeah.
Well, then. That's just good for not listening, then.
It
Yeah.
wasn't pierced, though. It was just like last night, our friend decided to do it.
Oh, well, then that's
That's
why.
the problem.
No big deal.
It doesn't hurt at all.
Yep, don't sit up yet.
Yours is smaller than mine.
Mm-hmm.
Jerk. No, you. I wasn't calling him a jerk.
How'd that go, Amber?
It doesn't hurt at all.
Well, you're cool.
I have a very high pain tolerance, apparently. Again, it was a shocking pain. It wasn't like...
Can I stop recording you now?
Yeah.
I don't know how to make it stop.
Hot.
What?
I don't know how to make it stop.
What?
Yeah.
Now I'm like every other skinny girl in the world.
Yeah. Yours isn't pierced anymore? Mine is.
My friend who just got her double one done. I'm waiting for mine to heal so we can actually pierce it the correct way.
Are you happy?
Yes.
So what's today?
My birthday?
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Now you have your belly pierced.
Can I have a car? And my license?
Well, you just have everything, don't you?
Say bye.
Bye.
Shelby.